Hello and welcome to another update video on FET. So we see some significant upside today. I think there was a news related pump here. So I'm not sure how sustainable it is. Very often these just lead to B-wave rallies. Unless the general sentiment in the sector turns to the upside, I think this is simply a B wave. The risk is high. This is just a B wave. News related rallies in crypto often break after 3 waves. This is currently a 3-wave move up. It could give us one more high, but yes, then it's 5 waves from the low. I mean, the price reacted exactly to a technical level, which is the 61.8 retracement at 19.4 cents. So I'm not quite sure. But again, I'm not quite sure if this is a sustainable breakout pattern that's developing. To get some more clarity about that, and I'll tell you exactly what I need to see, I would need to see these 5 waves form. And then in the next pullback, which will be the stress test for the bulls, I needed to hold a higher low in wave 2. Basically, then we get a 1-2 setup and can watch for the beginning of a 3rd wave rally to the upside. That gives me this 1-2 setup that we need to see. We already had an AB setup. AB, yeah, with the price, with support that you are aware of in the area between 15.6 cents and 22.6 cents. Price found support there. Downside pattern, though, looks a bit incomplete, I have to say. So I'm not convinced yet that this overall low is in. Therefore, I remain cautious until we really see that 1-2 setup and until we see a decisive break above 50 cents. Remember that the 50-cent level has been the key level for the bulls to break and address and break, right? We're far away from that at the moment, right? We want to get above this 50-cent level. This is key. Everything below is, I have to say it, just noise, even though the price pumped significantly. Now, from a bearish point of view, short-term bearish, this is also good still, yeah, because we never saw a healthy B wave. Now we have a healthy B wave. This could be an A wave down, A, B, C in wave B, and then a C wave decline. This gives me an A, B, C flat correction. This would be one scenario, but the higher the B wave goes, the more in line it would be with my overall thesis that we could still see higher prices, yeah. I mean, I'm tracking it. It's just not high confidence until we see a proper breakout up. But the thesis is still, right, that we formed some kind of a low on the 10th of October, but we said we need to see a proper breakout pattern first, which consists of 5 up, 3 down from a significant low. We had an AB setup, but a 1-2 setup as shown in orange, basically 5 waves up that indicate the trend direction is up and a subsequent corrective pullback, which means a 3-wave move down that holds a higher low. That would be better confirmation, further confirmation that actually a really meaningful low has formed. So yeah, in the very short term, what I can offer here is a micro support region with support between 27.7 cents and 31.8 cents. FIB support essentially, yeah. As long as we're holding 27.7 cents, the bullish case here remains plausible. That means one more high could happen. Basically, in simple words, micro support for upside trend continuation is located at 27.7 cents. Any break below opens the door to a deeper pullback in the C wave of wave B. So this is the pivot. The pivot at the moment, if we get 5 up, then we can add support for wave 2. And this support area then will be the pivot between the white and the orange count. At the moment, they both move together, and we need to hold 27.7 cents for that 5th wave up. 50 cents though, that's the key level above, because that's really where the selling volume kicked in on the 10th of October. You know that level. And only really if we get 5 up, 3 down, we can be a bit more optimistic about it. At the moment, this is really just short-term noise, even though it doesn't seem like that. But if only green candles were enough to confirm an upside reversal, things would be much easier. But it's not. We need the right structure in place. I'll keep you updated about it. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. I also invite you to join us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. There was also an update about FET already here on X before this video. So again, you are informed there as well, and sometimes in addition to YouTube. So check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.